Want to unlock secret discounts and cashback just by paying with your iPhone? Let's dive into how to snag Apple Pay promo codes. First, understand that Apple Pay promo codes aren't directly offered by Apple itself. Instead, retailers and banks are the masterminds behind these deals, using them to encourage you to pay with Apple Pay. So, think of it as a treasure hunt where stores and banks are hiding the gold. Step 1. Always check the retailer's website or app before making a purchase. Many stores will explicitly advertise Apple Pay promotions right on their product pages or during the checkout process. Keep an eye out for banners or text mentioning exclusive discounts when you use Apple Pay. Step 2. Dive into your bank's app or website. Banks that support Apple Pay often run their own promotions. Look for a rewards or offers section within your banking app. You might find cashback deals or discounts specifically for using Apple Pay with your bank's card. Step 3. Unleash the power of Google. Simply search for Apple Pay promo codes followed by the name of the retailer you're shopping at. For example, Apple Pay promo code Target. This can often surface codes or promotions that might not be immediately obvious on the retailer's site. Step 4. Tap into social media. Follow your favorite retailers and banks on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. They often announce exclusive Apple Pay deals to their followers. You can also search for hashtags like Apple Pay deals or Apple promotions to discover offers shared by other users. So, remember, snagging Apple Pay promo codes requires a little detective work. Check retailer sites, explore your bank's app, Google it like a pro, and follow social media. Happy saving.